Deep in the silent forest, forgotten metal rests beneath time, waiting patently for skilled hands to awaken it again.
Every crack and rusted edge shows how many years this machine has been left behind in silence.
Time leaves marks everywhere, and here it carved its story deep into aging steel.
Inside, decay replaced comfort, and dust quietly settled where memories once lived. The heart rests silent, worn by neglect, yet still holding the promise of strength. With care and control, the journey away from abandonment finally begins.
This workshop is quiet, focused, and built for patience, not rushed results.
Water slowly removes years of dirt, but the scars beneath remain untouched.
Foam spreads quietly, revealing the true condition hidden beneath neglect.
Enjoy this restoration? Subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like the video, and comment below to support this journey. These wheels stood still for years, slowly surrendering to dirt and time.
As water fades away, the true age of the surface becomes clear.
Each bolt removed opens the path toward deeper restoration work. Old seats leave quietly, carrying decades of wear with them. Broken panels come apart gently, making space for future precision.
Beneath everything, corrosion shows where real work must begin.
Sanding removes weakness layer by layer without rushing the process.
Every spark marks rust being erased from the metal surface.
The foundation is stripped carefully, preparing for strength to return.
This is only the beginning, as deeper restoration quietly moves forward.
The engine rises slowly, carrying years of neglect away from the frame beneath it.
Every surface is inspected closely, revealing wear that only time can create.
Careful cleaning begins, lifting away layers of dirt built over decades. Each part is placed with intention, preparing for precise reassembly ahead.
If you enjoy detailed rebuilds like this, subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like the video, and comment below now.
Rust is removed slowly, revealing solid metal hidden underneath decay.
Protective treatment seeps in, stopping corrosion from spreading further.
New metal bonds carefully into place, restoring strength where it was lost.
Each suspension part is rebuilt to support weight and movement again.
Braking components are restored carefully, focusing on safety and precision.
Pressurized water removes years of buildup from the exposed frame.
Internal components return to their places with careful alignment.
Each bolt is tightened precisely, securing the engine's renewed strength.
Final detailing removes fingerprints, leaving a clean mechanical surface.
The engine settles back into place, reconnecting with the chassis.
Filler smooths damaged areas, restoring original panel contours.
Sanding refines the surface, preparing it for the next stage.
Every repaired section is checked to ensure smoothness and accuracy.
Masking protects finished areas as the body prepares for coating.
The structure is restored, now ready for its final transformation.
All surfaces are carefully protected, preparing every panel for the transformation to come.
Sanding reveals perfection beneath primer, smoothing every curve with gentle patience.
Careful preparation ensures every coat will glide perfectly across the body. If you love transformations like this, subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like the video, and comment below, and watch every layer bring life back. Paint rests quietly, hardening to perfection as light reveals every glossy contour.
Layers of protection fall away, unveiling the smooth finish that was hidden moments ago.
Every inch is inspected carefully, ensuring flawless reflection and uniform shine.
Polishing brings the paint to life, revealing depth and gloss beyond expectation.
Every trim is placed precisely, accentuating curves and restoring classic elegance.
Wheels are carefully reattached, returning balance and stability to the frame. Fresh seats are fitted gently, restoring comfort and symmetry to the cabin. Every button, gauge, and panel returns precisely where it belongs. The heart of the car is now spotless, each component gleaming with renewed life.
Gentle strokes perfect the surface, leaving a pristine reflection across the body.
Life returns with a smooth rumble, signaling the car's transformation is nearly complete. Every line and curve flows seamlessly as the car moves, showcasing meticulous restoration. The car stands proudly, every detail shining under careful lighting, ready to be admired. Subscribe to Classic Restore Hub, like the video, and comment below, and celebrate this full transformation together.